Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, I choose topic from chemistry and today I will provide you the complete guideline for the elements of the periodic table. As I told you later about the periodic table and periodicity of the periodic table, now I am choosing this type of topic, which is a naming of elements and symbol of elements and their atomic weights and international atomic weights. Okay, let's start. Actinium. Actinium stands for AC in symbol and approximate atomic weight is 227, or internationally it is said to be 227.28. 227.8 is the right way say any element. Aluminium. Al, and its atomic weight is 27 or 27.100. The symbols and atomic weight are approximately weights are very useful. The international weights have the values which have point after values. Okay. Likewise, argon is represented by Ar, whose atomic weight is 40. Arsenic is As, its atomic weight is 75. Arsenic 75 and As it is representative. Barium Ba, its atomic weight is 137.4. Beryllium Be, B is capital and E is small, 9.0 its atomic weight. Beryllium is also done bismuth. Bismuth is also element Bi 208. Boron B. Its atomic weight of approximately is not done yet, but international weight is 11.000. Bromine Br. Its atomic weight is 80 or 79.920 approximately. Cadmium. Cadmium is stand for CD. C is capital and D is smaller. 112. And when we are talking in decimal, likewise 112, and then we said 112. Calcium, most familiar element, that you are also asked by that calcium of our teeth is reduced or increased, and milk is useful to increase your calcium in the body. Its weight is 40. Californium, CF. C is greater and F is smaller, 251.0. And I am explaining the elements according to alphabetic order. Carbon C, there is carbon C only, okay, and its weight is 12. Cerium is Ce 140. Cesium Cs 133. Chlorine Cl 35. Chromium Cr 52. Hope you understanding and zooming the video. Cobalt Co 59. Copper Cu 63. Dysprosium Dy. D is capital and Y is smaller one, 162.05. Erbium 167. Erbium is done. F European F 152. Gadolinium, gallium, germanium. Germanium is also useful. Ge 197. And gold. What is gold? Au 197 its weight. Helium He. Helium is the second element on the periodic table. 4. Holmium Ho 163.5. Hydrogen H1. Indium In 115. Iodine is different by iodine I 127. It's iodine, sorry, because iodine is not an element. I was astonished to see it. Iridium IR 1930. Iron 56. 930 is the greatest value according to all the periodic table as we watch 1930. Later on, krypton Kr 83, lanthanum La 139, lead Pb 207.0, lithium Li 7, lithium Lu 175, magnesium Mg 24, manganese 55.5. Now mercury. Mercury is explained by H and G. H is brutal and G. Most of the elements are explained by the easier name and most are used by the Latin word language. Okay. 200.1. Molybdenum Mo 96.0. Neodymium Nd 144.0. Neon Ne 20.0. Nickel Ni 59.0. Niobium it's also useful Nb 93.5. Osmium OS 191.0. Oxygen O 16.0. Palladium Pd 106.0. Phosphorus P 31.0. Platinum Pt 195.0, potassium K 39, praseodymium Pr 140.9, radium Ra 226.5. Okay, rhodium Rh 103, 103.50, rubidium Rl 95, ruthenium Ru 101.5, samarium Sm 150.0. You can also note all these weights at the same place. Scadium Hc 44, selenium Se 79.0, silver Ag 108.0, sodium Na 23. It's a very familiar and our table salt is made of sodium and it is a mixture of sodium and chloride or table salt. Strontium Sr at 7.5. Sulfur S 32. Sulfur is also useful. We always used in Urdu as gandhak. Sulfur is used in the fertilizing jet. Tantalum Ta 181, and their pronunciation may be different but the theme is same. Tellurium Tellurium Ta, terbium Tb, terbium another terbium. Two terbiums are repeated at the same time. One is Te and one is a Tb. Thallium Ti, thorium Tm, and 168, 118. These are those elements which are not very useful in our daily life or daily examples. Tin Sn, titanium Ti, tungsten is very useful W, uranium uranium is a very useful, very studyable radioactive element and its atomic weight is 238. I'm marking by the marker. Hope you get. Xenon gas is used in light tungstens. VTTR PM. Ytterbium Y 89.0. Zinc 65.0. Zirconium 92. Here we had to find the list of elements used in the periodic table according to 110 as list. Hope you get it. If you get it, then like and subscribe my channel. Also, I'm waiting for your subscription. Thanks for watching.